Hi folks, it's John from lastchanceautorestore.com. I'd like to share with you a brief update. Our camera person's away, so I thought I would just give you a quick little view or sneak peek of this 1977 Ford F100 short bed two-wheel drive pickup truck. In an earlier video we did like a basic introduction video where we shared with you the truck and its history coming from California. It's been in Ontario for a couple of years, and we're going to be performing a custom build on it. So we've done quite a bit of work on it. We've done a full inspection, a compression test. We've checked the whole vehicle over in terms of frame, structural support, and all that neat stuff, front end and braking. And then we basically have began just the easy disassembly part, which is removing most of the cosmetic trim. So you'll notice we have the front grille, the bumper, all of that front nose piece, headlights, marker lights, and then we've got a lot of the trim. You can see the lower part of the trim is still on the fender. To get access to the bolts, the front fender needs to come off. But this is just an update in terms of the progress so far. You can see we have all of the trim taken off of the windshield surround. We have our insignias are removed, and then our big belt line trim that's going down the vehicle. And then you can see we still have all the glass in. We haven't taken the mirrors or door handles off yet as we go around the hoist here. So you can see a lot of the trim around that rail, the roof rail, and then we come along the back. Obviously all the trim is off of that back window and the cab surround. And then as we come down along the side, once again all of the trim, those little tie downs, both fuel doors, and then all of our lower trim that surrounded the bed portion. And there's still some trim that'll need to be removed, but basically we just we lubed all of the hardware, the nuts and bolts and so on, and you very carefully, the disassembly part, you don't want to just go gangbusters and just take a bunch of stuff apart willy-nilly kind of deal. You want to make sure that everything is lubricated. We don't use power tools to remove all of the hardware and fasteners. It's all done by hand, ratchets and all that kind of neat stuff. And then that ensures we don't break or hurt any of the hardware. And then we lube all of the main parts like the truck bed. The truck bed has been, all of the bolts holding the bed to the frame were lubricated and heated up a little bit, and then they've been all loosened and removed. And then later on we'll be lifting the bed off the frame. This is going to get an airbag suspension set up, so we're going to leave the fenders and the truck bed on for now because we have some parts coming soon, and we're going to change it to a 4-link rear suspension. We're going to do an airbag suspension to raise and lower the truck, and we need to do that mock-up with the truck bed and fenders on to figure out clearances and so on. So it looks a little bit different. The client who owns this vehicle doesn't live close by, so it's kind of neat to share with the owners and also with their friends who aren't able to see the truck. So basically what we're going to do is we will share numerous videos on this build and just show the progress as it continues. So this is the 1977 Ford F100 short bed truck, and I thank you for watching. I'm John from lastchanceautorestore.com.